Distillate secretary to guidance la paper la kaso shu ani tanda gi reading de lang lota de zoichi do yi lang lota de zoichi do August ki month na la khare gari chudu blessings and guidance kare gari do odi ko la yi ra ani khirang gi lota lang yi baina dingi dum khirang gi chidu re ni lelo chi si lan shai ani those of you who wants to watch in English language, then your time stamp will be in a description box. Okay, so check out there as well. Ani kalaure. Keranzo gichi do August kita watira khande khande chudu di in reading ra. Okay. Ani dambo kirangi current energy lang lota so current energy khande khande chidu di dalo ani kerangi kalaure kirangi health ani kirangi relationship ani kiranso gi karila ore career I kiranso la big blessings sum kare kare chugudura August kita wadina la blessings sum kare do okay ani kiranso kita bu current energy khali do di check tara current energy temperance okay beautiful current energy kiranso pe balance kana desh ya shu khalore chik shu career kana pe ya ko di jani relationship kana ge kuch mindu la to da relationship ya ko di to career mindu la to da ende ge mai bache kiranso pe balance ya ko kene de shala shi kiranso healthy ne kiranso samlo ya ko tangi sare khalore nga jo health kana ne action lengua tin zo len samlo ya ko tang sab che diet tin zo len on de chi ge sare ani kiranso career le ne le ka tak chi du che jo le ka khari ne lob jong 이 넬롭전 딱딱딱딱 지도에 제도다 아니 그냥 저까지 칼라오래 그런 저다 지단에 제거 딜리 액티비티 지요라 그런 저 가리지 오데 딱딱딱딱 지 통해 아 릴레이션십 라인에 그런 저 이제 빼고 땅 톡소소 부부소소 이 파마소소 이 빙게소소 이다 칼라오래 수연에라 다딘줄라 두저 빼고 소소 니니오 수연에 정말로 두저 빼고 땅 통해 도다 그런 저 강톡톡 상만 빼 밸런싱 약고 키네 대와 도치도라 안디인데 그런 저 다다 강에 이렇게 통금민도 약다지 대와 도치도라 심바이네 디스릴레이시 대도지 아니 그런 저다 controlane deba shukchimbo che mani benza guru dang kare sosota sula deba che kare khalawre ikya to da kare yore chezin thoma gira da umtare do de so hala do o linga te zupia ko dang controlane deba shukchimbo che ye sarira ani kira zala dela ba be blessings yam pe yapotra control melam kya kare melam kya ne tuya to o te do shtu gidu kira za kare energy pe nim mo do okay lang lo to so ani kira zala energy chulip kyu di kare li do la da hermit ki kar li do kira zala ti chi di shena la shukchimbo su do da ti ka dili du kiran zora so who am I like nga suri like da shini ka du gyori like ligim de khare kare re like da so ende chue ga ma shuk chebo su de chme o de do chi ra self analyze to change me so nga khare re na la ende emotional khare do emotional gang yarge tangi la to do de ra kha da so pe yarge tang ya ga la shuk chebo ma zu de chme nga ra yarge tang du la o de do la shuk chebo su do nge do chi kiran so energy o de chi li du August ki month la ani so yarge tangi la so rang la focus shuk chebo de chme shimba yeyo na shida chudo me so yarge tangi so chik chigi la o tindige energy kera zo sala chu yungi dola ni shwe okay ani kiran so achi tanda khala ore health ra health karili dulanda night of wands li dura di du kiran so health kan kanye ge mindu kiran so activity pe apol lingi du kiran so da nasa do da ade chi kanye do chi yo ai na yang tin so ichi dura kiran so action lingi du kiran so minju rimba che go na re amji or professional la tengo ne re kiran so ra ani kiran so yama khala ore treating khala this running jogging exercise ra da so yoga da gunglo che de zo na this yoga dang deep breathing da te zo yakpo ra so lo de do da ani kiran so health kan la kiran so pe khala ore action yakpo lingi du yo August ki month la kiran so health kan la pe action yakpo lingi du simdi min de action lewa nang shingi kiran so la result yang pe ya pe na kiran na di yo ai na kiran gi min chi le amji la tu men le no di sana ani nasa di le dya do da thao dya do da samsam ya men de sana ma ra ya do khada min chu me gyo thinde samya de ngu da ngana so o de mai ba che kiran so la debu yakpo tingi du lan she okay kiran so da o thinde do ani so bu la ne nga da weight lose che do weight gain che do this diet to lingi wa ne samsam ya diet to le ne shi da tibu du ma de shi me o de mai ba che tibu dhin thu do lan she ra kiran so diet to le wa ne tibu pe apo dingi du ani khala ore Kale ya thu tu la papa ya kale ya thu o de do okay ani kiran so achi relationship la khari du la na 6 of Pentacles li du la ani kiran so relationship la pe balancing ya po chi ari shara ani kiran ge ta so partner da so relationship da so la kiran ge ni ne o se wa chi yo da so da live la single yi ba ne so pa ma pingya yore ya na so ge da pu bu mo yore sa mo yore da so yo ne on de la ni ba te to the gift and ning chi wa de ka zai ka o ge so ni ne o de la ni ba de te to o de de dura kiran so life ani khalore relationship pe balance kala yakpo khetu du yo relationship la ya pe madi wa dis me wa che pe takta chinra relationship la khare khore takta kiran gi provide che tu gera o tinde do chi du relationship ya pe yakpo du agas semde komindu lan shoy okay ani kiran so chi career la kiran so la tis chi khare du la go option du mangu pe le so tis chi go to me jo da khandi dam go go mas o tinde do chi lok tu do ne lok sen pe mangu le khare da khandi tam go resam go mas o ye do da ni khalore lega che ni ne lega la ta pe option mangu le ta chi so chi go lo tis che do cha chi khare do chi che go sam de che do ma la la chi confusion do kiran so ligi do tara ani kiran so te du kiran so khare chi ola na deep down so is samlo tang ra ani o de ni samlo ya po tang ni thak chu du ya august ki month la kiran zo option mangbu do chi le dia du mangbu do chi thona ani kiran zo samlo ya po tang ani thak chu la she okay ani o de samlo ya po tang go di ke chi bu du kiran zo intuition la ira ra zo gut feeling do la o de so samlo ya po tang thak chu bo chi ra samlo ya po tang ani thak chu shi ba kiran zo la ya option mangbu le yang khashi go gore yin si re ra di du kariya ka la ti chi kiran zo o de do chi gi du ta option pe mangpul ya poli du ine yang confusing du so ya me ya de che khada khacha ore la jo o de du chi du okay ani ine the deep analyze to ship chibu che du ya kiran zo ani o de che tak chuna ani yang problem came du len she okay ani kiran zo chi the three blessings okay dang bo blessings dang sho de khari du la na 10 of Pentacles wow kiran zo la pesha ship chibu ligi du kiran zo live la di pesha gani ne sigire kiran zo khala ore nami pingya gi ngi ba te to da ya na khala ore so lega chisa ni pe promotion to the bonus and riot to the business in a business pay yak to yang so boom to cha so bishop yak cha to the odin de khani ni kiran zo pe ra happy money lai sha o de li du kiran zo la ani khachi chi do the blessings re da kaji chi do yang business so pama yu ba yu ne business right or the khamba such a right or the o de in masi o mari yo kiran zo chi do de ra gi du ani blessings new ra queen of wands li du blessings new kiran zo pe confidence kiran zo ti confidence low to feel chi dan ba nga chi sheta chi do min du ha tis chi confidence low do de sam gi wa ina ani kiran zo confidence chi li gi du lan shai ra kiran zo chi do confidence pe chi li gi du kiran zo ani घरे जे वो सामने जे माथो मे वो न ले दोन किरान सो खाजे chi du ra ne shimi la pe ga wo ye wa ina nang la ya agas ki man la kiran gi shimi de dop chi ni ning chi mu chi ne nyar ya the de yin ki ra de shimi de ya blessings re kana zo nang la cham ya cham ga zo nang la de shimi de zili da ya din zo khari la da ya khari blessings ki tak chen re da tak chen di shimi la khala te cha bu chi nyar ya ge chi bu re ra o de do shimi ya le si du la che kana zo nang la okay ani khala ore blessings sumba blessing sumba ya 8 of Pentacles kiran so danda skill khare do chi jangi danda khare to la so mi sin da mashi pa do chi da chi che de ora so ta ke ko chi ji me nga ne de ila na yungi ko mara da chi che de che ra da kiran so danda lup chu ne ya chi ni ya kong lo dun chu ke chu gup chu le do gyo ai ne chi ji para din so nam din khare chi gyo de pe yerge tangi du kiran so o de pe yerge do to ge blessings tu ya kiran so rat meditation chi gyo ne re kiran so career gala lega chi gyo ne re kiran so lop sen khala changi ne re khare da kiran so try chi do di ra kiran so pe yerge yak tang tu du an yerge tang la kiran so pe du ba se chi la da pe sim ting ne pe da concentrate la da du na shimbo so yo de to la gala ore da so khare da communication do yerge tang gi pe yama kiran so ra na khare yerge tang gi da kiran so ra o di na la ni kiran so pe yerge tang to yagi kiran so la concentration power di ra gi du la ni she okay kiran so chi do ani ta reading pe ning chi mu chu so ra kiran so o tele to chi resha ani kiran so la blessings ni pe ning chi mo li du ra happy money li du confidence li du ani kiran so gi yergi tang thu la concentration li du pe apura ra tina shi chi bo chi thu ya dira concentration la o tele resha ani kiran so gi ta August ki month le kiran zola this confusion do this le chance to ra career khang la ani o di bi kiran zo this ra yang so samra ya o tang ne tak chu da yang dik chu re dik ge problem de ke mi ya an kiran zo karin energy ning ji tak chu ke shan da ra re reading okay ani kiran zo ning dung de pe khalawre kiran zo message de pe ning dung de pe ning chi mo chi so la kare ko du de ning chi mo chi ra yo pe re wa ye ani kiran zo ning dung de la kata channel la subscribe ani kiran zo last time ye reading na chi di pe do jung sta and you so o de sama comment section la di da ni ya khalawre lawyer ko ye la share okay comment section nga te lawyer ko ye da ma khaje chi ti response che chung mas mashinga nam yun tak par in sha sha response de je tu chi ya ani o de do chi re okay ani khalawre kina zo reading painting chi modu ani khalawre yendu de sibala tu che nang ani mir de che yong. Okay, so if your Tibetan zodiac sign is Ox, then this reading is for you for August month. What is happening for you in August month? So first, I will do your current energy, and then your how do we say health, and your relationship, and your career, and three big blessings for you. Okay, so first of all, your energy, current energy is looking beautiful. You are in a balance of everything in your health. You are taking very balanced diet, very good one, and in your relationship you are taking care of that person, and in your relationship it's balance, in your career it's balance, and everything you are taking a diet in balance, everything is in balance, and you are doing a lot of prayers, or whoever you believe, whoever you follow, your god, your this can be anyone you believed, so you are doing lots of prayers, and that your prayers are speaked. Okay, also you are guided by your whoever you believe. Okay, so you are guided and you are blessed. Okay, so and this your current energy is beautiful, and your upcoming energy, the energy coming your way is like you are the hermit card. Okay, so this says you are analyzing yourself, you want to improve yourself. Okay, so that energy is coming your way, you want to improve yourself, you will ask yourself a question: who am I, and what am I, why do I born in this world, or this kind of spiritual questions can be also there. Or you will ask like, I will improve myself, I will improve my life, I will improve my how do we say emotional intelligence, and like that you want to improve yourself, and you want to spend time with yourself, not with others. You will want to have a time with yourself, and you want to improve yourself. Okay, so most of you are like going to go in a deep level of spiritual. Okay, so like I can see like that for upcoming energy for you. And your health, the Knight of Wands is coming for your health, so it seems you are taking very care for your health, like you are taking balanced diet, or you, if you are not feeling well right now, you will see a doctor, or you will have some medicines, or you will do some activity, and then you will feel better. Okay, so in August month, your health is looking beautiful. Okay, very healthy. You're very healthy. You're very active. You're taking lots of activities, like you can join group sessions of yoga or whatever you are interested. Okay, so you will join for that kind of activity, and you will feel more healthy in August. Okay, so you'll feel very good about yourself, about your health. Okay, and after that, your relationship, you are taking again very balanced life in a relationship, and you will give a lot of gift to your loved one. This can be anyone, your parents, your child, your grandchild, or who, this can be anyone, your life partner. You are gifting them a lot of gifts. Okay. Okay, so this seems beautiful, beautiful. And for your career, it's a little bit of like you are getting a little bit of confusion with lots of options. Okay, so you are seeing lots of options, and you are like confused now, which one should I take in this August month. Okay, so if you are a student, you will see lots of different kind of subjects, or if you are working, you will see lots of different kind of projects in front of you, and you will feel a little bit of like confusion, which one should I take. All are looking very good, so which one should I take, you feel like that. But it's okay, you have have to, you have to ask yourself, okay, which one should I choose? Which one is better for me? And you have to practically you have to listen your gut feeling or your intuition. Okay, so your intuitions are a little strong. I can see that. So you can ask yourself, and then you can decide. Okay, so nothing to worry about it. Okay, so your three big blessings are: number one, the Ten of Pentacles. So you are receiving a big amount of money. This can you can receive this from your parents, your loved ones, your relatives, or your from your workplace. This can be from anywhere. Okay, so you can receive a big happy money. Okay, so and some of you are receiving like a parents wealth. Okay, so house, this can be house, land, or this can be anything from your parents. Okay, so this can also happen as a blessings. And second blessing is coming, this one, Queen of Wands. So this says you will get more confidence. Okay, you feel more confidence. Okay, you'll feel your self-esteems are high, you feel confident. Okay, so you will feel very good about yourself, and you'll feel confident in this August month. That this is second blessings is confident. And third blessing is this one. This says Eight of Pentacles. You will improve yourself, and you will have lots of concentration, no distraction. Okay, whatever you want to improve, you can improve that without any distraction, and you feel like I am constant, I can do whatever I want to feel like that. And then you will do. Okay, you will walk, you will improve yourself, you'll feel more concentrated towards whatever you wanted to do till now. Okay, so you'll feel more concentrated towards that thing, and you will improve a lot. Okay, so three blessings are the happy money, and the confidence, and concentration. Okay, so you will receive a beautiful blessings for this August month, and I hope you get your all the messages, whatever you're waiting for, you get that message. I hope. So, and okay, so thumbs up for the video and subscribe to the channel. I will see you very soon. Okay, bye bye.